Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we'll see the exercises of Unit 4, Chapter 1, Once I Saw a Little Bird. I hope you all have enjoyed the poem and it is really nice. Let's do the exercise today, okay? Please turn your books to page number 43. Okay, we'll see the question 1 now. Okay, let's do it. What did the child see? The chinna paya enna paatha? The child saw a little bird. Please write nicely. The child saw a little bird. Number 2. What was the little bird doing? Adu parvai enna panadu? Okay. Little bird came hopping to the window, then shook his tail and flew away. Okay, the little bird came hopping to the window, he shook his tail and flew away. Okay, next on the same page, let's talk. Number 1. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? Do you see any birds, ma? The answer is yes. I see many birds around my school and my house every day. Okay. Now number 2. Have you tried talking to them? Pace try panningla. Okay. Yes. I have tried talking to a bird. Okay. Now turn your books to page number 44. Trace over the dotted lines and letters. Now write the star. Join all the lines. Dot lines are there, no? Join it. And what you have to do is you have to color it. You have to color of your own choice. Okay? Okay. Now you see there are so many words, no? You have to say it along with me loudly. Okay? Roof. Roof means kurai. Okay? Roof. Door. Door means kadav. Windows. Windows means janal. Walls. Walls means savar. Floor. Floor means what? Tarai. Okay? Plants means chedigal. Plants, plural. Apro dustbin. Dustbin means what? Kuppatoti, where you throw the waste. Okay? Now look at the picture on your right. Okay? See, the roof. Kurai. What color is the roof? The roof is pink color. Tick the pink. Wall. Wall is what color? Yellow color. Tick yellow. Apro windows. Windows are brown color. Tick brown. Door is blue color. Tick blue. Dustbin is which color? See, it's pink color. Tick pink. Apro plants. Plants are green in color. Tick green. And last, the floor. The floor is what color? Grey color. Tick the grey. Okay? So children, please make sure to complete all your exercise. We'll do another chapter in the next class. Till then, thank you.